Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert HEIF image file to JPG image file without using any third-party app in iPhone and iPad devices. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the Photos application. So let me try to open this image file and let me try to show you its information. And now you can see here this image file is HEIF image file. So in order to convert this HEIF image file into JPG, what you need to do is just tap on this share option and now just click on this copy. Now you can just minimize it. Now just open the files application and now on any folder just tap and hold on it and now just click on this paste. So now just tap and hold on it again. Now just click on this get info. Now you can see here the kind JPEG, which is equal to JPG image files. So finally we have converted the HEIF image file into JPEG image file. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily convert HEIF image file to JPG image file without using any third-party app in iPhone and iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.